Alright, family, we getting ready to leave from this Petro. I had went to sleep around 3 and I woke up at like 7 something this morning to a pre-plan. And we're gonna be going all the way to Alabama. But I also woke up to some other news, which was some bad news. My uncle passed today. He's done been in a few of my videos. I done had time to go through my emotions and, you know, do what I need to do to give myself strength to keep pushing. Like, y'all, I literally just left home yesterday. And then I got that call this morning. I could go home right now, but it's like, I'ma just run for a few more days and then I'ma go home. I'm the kind of person, like when I'm going through something or feeling a certain kind of way, I really don't want to be around nobody. Like, let me go through my emotions alone and then I'll come around. But yeah, like I said, he done been in a few of my videos, especially the family videos. I may put up some clips in this video. This is the thing about trucking, like, you could be miles and miles and hours away from home and you get tragic news. Sometimes you ain't able to just drop everything and go. Right now, we getting ready to head to the Loves. I'm gonna get some fuel. I let my dispatcher know. Do y'all hear that air? It's coming from the trailer. I already done checked my air. Better go. Go. Why would you stop? Y'all do the stupidest stuff. Why would you stop? Just go. But I checked my air hose and it's not coming from my truck or the air hose. There's got to be something on the trailer. But right now I'm getting ready to head to the Loves to fuel up. I talked to my dispatcher and I let him know what was going on. He did ask me, like, do you want to go home right now? He told me that where I'm taking this load, there is another load coming right back to this direction, so I'ma just do that. Hopefully I end up back at home by like Thursday. Today is Monday. I don't deliver this load until a Tuesday, and then to get back home from Alabama, that's gonna take me basically a whole drive. That's like 500 something miles. But anyway, y'all, I've been trying to uplift myself, and the way that I can make myself feel better is by working. So that's what we doing. But this camera that y'all seeing, this is the new camera that I bought. So y'all let me know if that quality any better. Because if not, man, I'm setting this camera back. We almost at the Loves though. I haven't ate anything at all today, and it's right there. It's right here at 2 o'clock.
In 2 miles, take right exit 152 to Trolley Road.
I know I gotta eat something before I get a headache. Y'all be acting like y'all scared to merge on, like y'all just can't floor it and jump over in the other lanes. Like y'all be scared to drive. My exit coming up, so I just might as well stay over here.
Now exit right, then turn right. Now turn right and then turn left. Now turn left and then immediately turn right. Route recalculated. You have reached your waypoint.
Why they got these cones over here at this one? Is it working or is it ain't working? Oh man. Let's get this fuel. I might fill up. That's what I just might do. It's a pretty nice day outside. Still going. I think fuel here for Prime is $3.88. The pump price is like $5. I know I gotta put a little more on this side. We're at 116 gallons. Come on. Come on, Pete. Get out there. I hope my load is ready. Cause I'm early. I'm almost 6 hours early. Well, yeah, 6 hours.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto South Factory Street and then you will reach your destination.
I usually come in from right here to the right of me, but I don't know why it had me to come this way. Ooh, turn it.
You have reached the destination, Tyson Foods Incorporated. The destination is on your left.
I'm gonna go spin around so I can get out of their way. Oh, I just got the notification. It says shipper notified us that the load is ready. It's on trailer number, but they don't got the trailer number up there. At least I know it's ready. Got a lot of people to check in. Pick up with Prime Meat.
Truck number?
741-222.
Trailer number?
243-206.
Trailer empty?
Oh yeah.
Plane on the inside?
Yeah.
How much fuel is in it?
4.
Your name?
Jasmine.
Your pickup number for your next load?
500-99.
Where you picking this load to?
Gunnersville, Alabama. They got little attitudes, so he said my trailer not loaded. I said they already sent the notification for it being loaded. I don't like when people have attitude, but I can't stand a sassy mouth man. Like, man, you don't got to do all that. All you got to say is I don't got your paperwork. You had a chance to break down? What y'all about to do? I'm gonna call y'all back. That was my grandma. What I'm about to do is I'm gonna go ahead and drop the trailer. And I might come back over here and park or stay parked over there. I like that gray right there. Ooh! Woo! I was gonna put it right there, but good job. That spot looks too tight. I can't even see back there no more. It's so dusty. Goodness. I can't see for real. All right. There we go. Got a better view now. As soon as I disconnected from the trailer, he gonna call talking about some, your load is ready. Of course it is. His son out here playing football. Was he stopping me? I think he's stopping me.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Slime back?
No?
Yeah, you will.
Yeah.
Nice.
How you doing?
Huh?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I watch the channel, man.
Thank you.
I ain't never get to see. I know you were from North Carolina, but I ain't never see you out.
Man,
on the road or whatever.
this is basically, I just left home yesterday.
Oh, okay, okay.
Where you headed?
Georgia, Bloomingdale.
That car coming.
Yeah, I see it. No, we just talking. All right, thank you. But yeah, you say after you finish your leash
August.
August. This year?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Alright. I just had to stop to say, hey, man.
No problem, man.
Jasmine, though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I said something about your truck when you passed by. It was recording on the outside.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What? What'd you say
No,
about
I was saying like I like that color gray.
Oh, okay. Alright. I'm gonna let you go. I ain't gonna hold you up.
Y'all be safe.
Alright, you too.
Oh, the truck just got behind me. Let's go. Like literally, y'all see that? All you gotta do is stop and just say something. I'm not a person who likes to talk a lot. Like I'm not big on a conversation. I can say a few things and then that's it. But I will talk to you. Alright, y'all. So I am hooked up to my trailer. It was over there where I was, but I came over here to the drop lot to park. And I'm gonna pause my clock for 2 hours. And then we gonna finish this load. I think my lock. Up, it was already in the 8th hole. Let's see what the weight is. Paperwork says I'm 40,000 pounds. I may not have to move it. Alright, y'all, it's been 2 hours and we got a long ride tonight. I had to make a tough decision. Which route I'm gonna take. I only got 8 hours and 47 minutes left to drive. Wanted me to go to stay on 40. 40 is a no-go. Okay, cool. Y'all can't see what I seen because a part of that curve was sunk down. And I don't want my tires to get stuck. But that right there is the main routes that the GPS was giving me. But this is the route that I made for myself. It's a little more miles, but I know for sure I can push 65 majority of that route because it's mainly interstate. I would have took the Georgia route, but in order for me to get to 85 and to get on 20, I gotta go through highways, small towns before I can even get to the interstate. And then at the last part of that route, I'm gonna have to be on highways and what is my turn? And country roads. So this right here is the best choice. Once I get off 421, then I'm gonna be on 77. Then that's gonna take me to 81. And then after 81, 75 south all the way down to 59. And then just a little bit of the US highways. Alright, we get ready to make a pit stop at the Sheets. find me a salad so I can have something to eat in the morning. Bathroom break, and then I'm gonna stop again at a Love's to catch my shower, and that'll be it. Come on, Pete, go up there, get up there. Let's go. Dang, they done took up all the little side spots. They done took up all the little side spots right here. I'm gonna get on the other side of the scale. Matter of fact, I might just park up here on the curb. Right here should be good. Ooh, look at them clouds. Y'all see that? That's a good picture right there. And that look like I got a filter on it. That look crazy. Alright, y'all, I'm at a Pilot. I needed to stop and check this fuel. That's where we at, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to top it off to the very tippy top. Just in case I have a dropping hook, hopefully I can have some fuel left over. I got 7 gallons in there, so hopefully I'm good for my next load. Y'all, I've been knocking these minutes down on the GPS. When I left, it said my arrival was gonna be for 3:49 a.m. I'm gonna get there at like 2 something. Oh, that's nice. Oh goodness, we here. I can get me some sleep. Man up here sleeping. Yo. Oh my goodness. These people been calling my phone for me to get unloaded. I've been asleep. I answered the phone one of the times and I went right back to sleep. Like, oh my goodness. Now they said they don't know if they're gonna be able to let me in because traffic done started. Oh my goodness. Oh, I was sleeping real good. Come on, I can catch this. Come on. I Got this. I remember that my first time, well, I only been here one time, but that time I came, they loaded me so fast. I see somebody walking down. Is it security? I guess they want me to be right here on the side. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you? You know what where you're going to?
It said 10? Yeah.
Alright. So at 6:45, you'll be able to pull up. 6:40 or 6:45, you'll be able to pull up because that's whenever our traffic dies down. Once you get up there, I'll bring out your paperwork, and you'll bring out your paperwork, and he'll tell you where to go.
All right, then. At 6:45. What? Y'all, I could have still been sleeping. Like, come on. All right, y'all. We finally get ready to get through. Let this other car go.
Door 10, you know where you're going?
That all the way around that side?
It's over there.
All right.
Just remember, leave your doors open when you come through. We'll just wave you through and you go up there and close them.
Okay, thank you, sir. The last time I was here, I got loaded. You get loaded on this side. I mean, yeah. You get loaded on this side and you get unloaded on the other side. It's gonna be a while, so I'm gonna speed this up for y'all. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
You need this?
Door 9.
9? Okay. All right, change of plans. We're going to door 9. I can just straight back that in. Oh, he said wait. Must be checking the seal. Oh, he gonna open the doors for me. Okay. So I'm talking about. Thank you. This ain't gonna be a straight back. I'm gonna have to work this angle a little bit. I might can make it though. I might can make it work. I hope I'm going to door 9. Okay, we good. Last night kicked my Boy, last night tore me up. And I am not straight with this dog. Hold on, guy. Hold on, man. Let me straighten up. See how long it take them. It is currently 6:49. Alright, it took them like an hour to unload. Now, am I gonna be able to get by there? Hope so. But I'm getting ready to go park back at the drop yard, finish out my break, wait for a load to come through. I gotta clean my truck. You need to look at this? Okay. Pull up over here, close these doors. Where did I put my lock at? I gotta fix that seal. Gunnersville, Alabama. I'm right down the road from, I think, Abbottville, Alabama. That's where I usually pick up a load from. Oh my goodness, I gotta get a trailer wash out. There is a washout that's like right beside the drop yard. Alright, y'all, this is the end of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.
Perfect.